Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a wooden mason jar and create a fun bunny Easter decoration. I used everything in this picture with the exception of the polka dot burlap ribbon. We just didn't end up using it, so you don't need that. The first thing you're going to do is I had this amazing wood look scrapbook paper. I got this from Hobby Lobby and I know they carry it almost year round, so you should be able to find something similar to that. Taking your wooden mason jar, you're going to go ahead and trace it and just cut it out to size. Then you're going to use some Mod Podge and put a pretty decent layer onto it to adhere your paper to. You don't want to do it too thick because it can make your paper bubble, and that's just not going to be appealing for your project. Once you have it on, you can, at a 45-degree angle, you can sand off the edges to give it a little bit more of a distressed look and knock off any overhang, because you're always going to have that when you're tracing a project like this. This is a bunny tutorial that I actually have on my website if you want it. We cut it out to size on some other fun scrapbook paper and just Mod Podged it down to the front of our mason jar. He's so cute. Check out his adorable little bottom that we created for him with a fluff ball. Then taking our pearl beads, I just lined two of the sections up at the top just to kind of give it some definition. Simply hot glued them on and placed our pearl beads as needed. And then I did have some other pearl beads that I thought would really be cute as a necklace on this little bunny. And then I took some twine and just made a bow like you're tying a shoe. Then the next project step you're gonna do is taking the twine and just wrapping around in between the two pieces of pearls that we had. Now I'm just making my traditional scrappy bow and taking layers of fabric and ribbon and just crisscrossing until we get a bow that we like, tying it all together with a piece of twine, and then we're fluffing it out just to give it some more dimension and character. Once we're done, we are going to hot glue that onto the top part of our mason jar, and then we're going to create just another bow, again, just like you're tying a shoelace, and then we're going to hot glue that to the front of the bow just to finish it off a little bit. Next up, I thought the edges needed to be decorated a little bit, so I just took the same twine we used on the project and just lined the outside of the mason jar. So just making a little line of hot glue and just kind of lining the edges. It really gives it a finished look. So the last step, I had this moss and I thought it really needed something at the bottom just to give it a little bit more character. And so I just broke the moss apart and ended up just hot gluing some of it onto the bottom. This project turned out amazing and so adorably cute. If you are looking for other DIYs and all things decorating, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you for watching.